Parliament now. The question is that the motion be agreed to. Those in favor say aye. Aye. Those against say no. The ayes have it. Honourable members, and decision of Parliament now. Me entertaining in decision of Speaker and of Parliament, also Parliament by agent, call number 3, day of moon, September, Tuesday, 2 o'clock afternoon.
Papua New Guineans talk about vote of no confidence. It has been a process of that is in our constitution. It's part of our democracy. But I want to encourage every one of us. It's played out in the floor of Parliament. So not outside. Everyone should be business as usual. Go to work, do business.
In the opposition believe that yesterday's decision by the Speaker should have stood by his decisions, only for him to surrender. And the Speaker has caused the chair itself to a point where Papua New Guinea is now and the Parliament do not have respect of the chair.
He lost control of the House, so he should have invoked Section 61 of the Standing Orders. And then just suspended Parliament, full stop. And then come back, restore order, and then accept the vote of no confidence on the notice paper. And this comes back to what we've been talking about, you've heard about, you published in the media. Bring your numbers on the floor of Parliament. We brought our numbers. The office of the Prime Minister is the office of the people of Papua New Guinea. It's not for one man or one electorate, one district. It belongs to Papua New Guinea.
Our framers of the Constitution knew that if there is a government that the country is not happy with, under the leadership of one Prime Minister, after 18 months, the law allowed through Section 145 for us to release that VONC in the country.
I think it's a clear message that enough of slogans, enough of rhetoric, enough of lip service. No one in their right mind shuts down an operating gold mine when the prices are at the top of its peak, at $2,000 per ounce, I believe, in terms of gold. Nobody in their right mind. Of course, you can have tough negotiations, but that is mishandling, that's inexperience.
Politics in PNG, I'm not like Belanama and Mr. Peter O'Neill who will fight unnecessarily. I'm a respecter of law. Politics is numbers game. If you have number, by all means, this is not my birthright, but we will deploy every means possible, legal means and political means, to ensure that the government that people elected is, through members of Parliament, is sustained in December. You know, political instability causes harm to our country.
He spent 8 years with me as one of my senior ministers. I thought he learned, but obviously he's been sleeping on the job. We've been given 10 years between us to manage our country. I think they've seen enough of us for the time being. It's time to go.
People talk big, but we haven't grown our economy. 7 prime ministers before me, the only prime minister who grew the economy was Sir Michael Thomas Somare from 2002 to 2011. O'Neill never grew the economy. Mekere never grew the economy. Bill Skate never grew the economy. Vice Winty never grew the economy. I'm a saint, but there is a record. They could have if they had 10 years, like Somare had 10 years. Who pays the bill? The economy pays the bill. The economy pays the bill, not your politics. Bills in free education, bills in health services, bills in infrastructure. The economy pays the bills. And so I just want to encourage the people, don't permeate garbage into the public space. There is a cost to these conversations. It comes in the cost to the economy. The economy pays the bills. No one else pays the bills. The economy grows, we have enough affordability to care of the social sector. I've constructed this cabinet from, there's two dichotomy, two divides. The divide in growing the economy and the divide in the public sector service delivery. And so my cabinet ministers and my caucus knows my ability, my potential, my work.
I'm blessed to have a strong, solid caucus who know the inside of me, not the outside of me. The men I have, Deputy Prime Minister, and the team beside me are not men who could be easily bought or sold on the marketplace of politics. And we've played politics so long, since 1975. I would not mind going down on my seals to a better person. The better person, the better team must step up if it is about vote of no confidence. The work that we started since 2019 is not yet finished. Pangu went to the elections in 2022. We've secured 39 seats, the highest ever since the organic law on provincial and local level government. I'm blessed to have a strong, solid caucus who know the inside of me, not the outside of me. The men I have, Deputy Prime Minister, and the team beside me are not men who could be easily bought or sold on the marketplace of politics. And we've played politics so long, since 1975. I would not mind going down on my seals to a better person. The better person, the better team must step up if it is about vote of no confidence. The work that we started since 2019 is not yet finished. Pangu went to the elections in 2022. We've secured 39 seats, the highest ever since the organic law on provincial and local level government. From Momase, I have 19 from Highlands. It's a spread of leadership right across the country that gives me the anchor I have today. And leaders who feel that I'm not qualified to be the Prime Minister have every right to resign and move on to the opposition bench. We have called our convention to be staged on Sunday, and we all party executives nationwide, 2 from each province coming in, and all members coming in, our party councils coming in. Key discussions will be party that goes beyond James Marape's time, party that must be living on, our party policy, our party constitution, our party structure. Those will be discussed, and one thing you can take it from me right now through this media is that James Marape will structure this party that outlives me. This party is not James Marape. This party doesn't belong to only one person. This is Papua New Guinea's party.